Took the shovel. Carry to rake. This one look like me. Everything can be done today.
Yeah.
Desperate time call for desperate measure. The rake broke already. Woo! Some heroes don't wear capes. Never come help clear the place, you know. And see just these nice palm trees. This is a big termite nest, I believe. This yam look like it almost have as much fingers as my hand. Morning neighbors, how are you doing? Today's the day. Today's the day where we finally get to sort out the grass that has overtaken our property in Clarendon. I'm going to see through it today. It's just that I'm not feeling so hot. Stuffy, I'm actually breathing through my mouth. And many other people in this house are also not feeling well. Actually, everybody not feeling well. Probably only Leila is 100%. But we're going to have to run out. I'm going to have to run down there and see to it that it is done and that it is done properly. Yeah. So I'm just grab some quick tablets.
How are you doing? What are you drinking?
PJ Reach
Hot water? Just source of water?
and tablets. Oh, by the way, my friend come with me. PJ. I just heard him van, so we're going to get boogie, you know. You going to be okay?
I'll try. I don't know. Let's hope the children cooperate. Bring back something for dinner. Okay.
Bye, Eva. Bye-bye. They're leaving, okay? Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Edie. Later. Bye-bye. Yes, later.
You're leaving again?
Huh?
You're leaving again?
Yes, I'm leaving again.
Why?
Half hair comb. Mommy still finish your hair. Later, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Going to Clarendon.
Why?
The place needs to fix up. Too much grass and bush.
Okay.
Later.
Bye.
Bye. So PJ, you know, by coming, you consent to being vlogged. You sign the paper? So this is the great PJ, musician,
Right to the end like Chucky.
big manager, extraordinary.
Listen.
What?
You see PJ come as tourists, you know. Anyway, I know you are going to have to work, so you have options. Some old shirts,
Okay.
short sleeve if you want,
We're going to pretend to work, PJ.
and long sleeve.
Okay.
PJ just
He's security manager today.
Right.
What's in the bag, right?
Overseer.
You don't want to know.
He's joking, man. Alright, I'll bring something.
Yeah. So. Yeah. Whichever one of these you feel more comfortable in.
Okay.
So pick up
Loose stuff.
trash and.
Okay. So picked up the shovel. And carry to rake. What more do we need? And these bags from mommy.
Oh, these look very heavy duty.
They're extremely heavy duty.
And very big.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Alright, so what more do we need? Nothing, right?
Yeah.
So we're here just trying to get two heavy duty gloves to do some movement. That's all. PJ, this one look like it, right? This one look like me?
I mean,
And this one look like you, though. I think it's more probably these.
what garden goes in?
So like, how could I use it play drum too?
Four.
Are supposed to rougher than that?
I don't think so.
Feel good. Alright guys, just went to Stewart's. And you see me take up them 2 gloves here, right? How much you think it costs? 7,000. You can see that 7,264.18 cents for the 2 gloves. I'm going to be driving in these gloves right now because I forget my money's worth. I really couldn't believe it. I have to check the receipt to see what exactly these gloves entail because they must have some super cooling feature, but it just said gloves. This will last me a lifetime though. It's not gonna last me a lifetime, but I'm going to drive in it right now. Right now. What is it? It's a cowhide.
Cowhide.
Oh, that must be the extra comfort.
Right,
cowhide. Alright.
It's cowhide, man.
Alright, ready to go now? Thumbs up, guys. It feels really comfortable still, I'm not gonna lie. It's a real comfortable pair of gloves. Alright, final destination on our way. Oh my gosh! What's up?
Do your best, do your best.
Alright, so we reach and believe it or not, it looked worse than the last time. I don't know how, but it looked real bad. And he thought he could have done it in a day, but I don't think he'll be able to do everything today. PJ, what do you think? Give your assessment.
Well, the first year of them can be done.
Can be done. Everything can be done today.
Yeah, the first year of them.
PJ, running side alone look. What's your running side alone is pretty high. I'm not sure you say it.
Let me go over the side of it.
That was the plan. So probably they can just finish around the house today.
Yeah,
And not the actual
yeah.
other side here. That's what I think too. Let me show you how far I'm reached though. So this is where I reach now. Big progress. Hard at work over there, but you can actually see the car tires. Last time we came you couldn't see anything. Just to show you the relative difference. This is the grass height here compared to where it's trimmed down to now. So all the way up here, Mr. Seymour, so level right here. So we're making progress. Yeah, we're making progress. Alright, so here's a quick update. Long story short, spoke to the gentleman who is, leading the other persons, in the whacking and the clearing up. He initially planned to stay there until midday, but after talking to him, he said it would take much longer than that. So I decided to come back home, drop off my security detail, which is PJ, and I'm going to head back there now, and yeah, just sit with that until they're finished. Be there until they're finished. Otherwise, it would have been too long away for PJ. So heading back there now to see the progress and throw in my 2 cents or £2 at work to go with it. I really want to live there now. I was telling Tina a while ago when I went back that it's so peaceful there and so calm, and it's hours. Really eager to get things, at a level where we can comfortably move in as a family. But until then, just work until we get there. How is your weekend going? Well, the weekend's supposed to be finishing now that it's Sunday. I hope you have a great week. This is the plug where we put in, if you're new here, subscribe, like the video, give a thumbs up on the video, everybody. Yeah, and let's get the work done. So back to Clarendon we go. It's now 12:11. Let's see what the rest of the day holds. So the only difference this time is that it's a lot more cloudy than it was when I was initially coming here. A lot more clouds in the sky. So hopefully it doesn't rain, but either way, rain or shine, job have to get done today, you know. We say hard work. We say hard work. Alright, we reached now. Them really was making some progress. So when they came with PJ a while ago, remember I was asking PJ right here if he thought they could finish, and right here was in a state, but all under here, them clear already. I mean, this is impressive. Right around the house is okay now, so they're just trying to get the orchard part sorted out. But now, desperate time call for desperate measures, and I have to step in now and make, you know, make my dent on the work with my rake. Orange for all those who like PMP. And the JLP people don't feel left out of the JLP rake right here. It's not a politically affiliated channel. I'm just giving this for the fun. Tina gave me my short to put on, and I'm already not feeling so well. I don't want the grass cuttings to affect me more. I'm going to mask. I want to have a shovel. Changing time. Don't look. Alright, we're back. And I have I'm showing my shoes. This is the shoes that I'm wearing. It's a piece of shoes that I had from a while. Not getting any of my Chris shoes, you know, dirty though. But anyway, the work begins now. Alright, so the rake broke already. That's a good look. Let's try this rake. Forgot that I had my $3,000 gloves. I got a blister. If I were wearing my $3,000 gloves, my $3,500 gloves, cowhide, this would not have happened. So let me put that on right now. Woo! Some heroes don't wear capes. And these guys are heroes, believe you me. But we're still working, is it? Found a new friend. Take a look. Found this little guy wandering around the place. It's a little snaily. Say hi, neighbors. Alright, I know you must be wondering. Alright, so now you must be wondering, why am I raking this big yard? They're busy doing other things. They have enough on their plate. And it's my place. I want it to look good. You know, done. Normally, they don't rake up or scrape up. Normally, they just leave it and let it stay as mulch. So basically, sit on top of the grass. So the dead grass that they cow would sit on top of it and kind of, I guess, create a buffer for the heat and all that, for the dry season and all that. Whatever it is that mulch does. But this is higher than it has ever been from what the caretaker can remember. So we can't take that strategy this time. I was initially trying to rake it so that it lines the perimeter, but it's still too high for it. It's looking untidy. So I decided to work smarter. I'm putting them in heaps, and that is probably the neatest thing we can do right now. So watch us work smart. Whatever these guys are getting paid, it's not enough. It's me and Tina paying them though, you know. So I'm going to put extra on it. Whatever price them tell me. But it's not enough. Treat the workmen good. Treat the landscapers good. Give them water, juice. Right now my arms are itching me. Yeah. They've been here since 6:30 this morning. And it's now probably minutes to 3. And I'm still going strong. Hopefully this dust and grass don't affect me. Might have a call in sick on Monday if I'm not feeling well. Watch the chickens. Look at the chickens. Look at them. Look how the chickens them happy to see the place. Never come help clear the place, you know. But as it clear them start look for little pickings, earthworms and all of these things. Watch them. But throw the corn, but we never call the fall, but the fall them come. Watch here. It's alright still. Do the thing. I'm sure I can eat grass to keep it well manicured. Alright, the team just left. I'm pleased with what we're able to accomplish, and there's a lot that needs to be done on this landscaping quickly. Can't ease up, we can't miss a week. So next week something has to be done, the other week something has to be done until we have it at a level where it is just manageable. So trees have to be cut down or whatever. It has to be done consistently, and I'm seeing that anything other than that is going to be us hemorrhaging money, leaking money. Yeah, so just have to get on top of it quickly. So these are the heaps that I put the different excess grass cuttings in, and this is, trust me, this is not all of it. A lot of grass cuttings are still there. If I go down and kick up or rake, you see all of that? So it's not everything I get, but I get a portion of it to go in these heaps. Some are also heaped along the side under these. I don't think, well, some of it is bougainvillea, but yeah, some of it is heaped here. So all of this part is cleared. You can actually see under these trees again, and I'm going to quickly pick a couple of these nice lime slash civil orange things. How about them dry up? Look like them season done. I don't see any green ones on the tree. Oh man, these are the best, believe me. But last week we couldn't do this comfortably. We'd have to be stepping and climbing like we're athlete doing high knees. Progress. What is not done is here, the orchard. So the majority of this remains undone. Not everything is untouched. There are some trees here that were limbed and some that were just outright cut down. So we can see just these nice palm trees. Under here were some trees, but clear some of that. Could have done this last week as well. So some of it is whacked. I would say 1/3 or a quarter of the orchard part is whacked. But still, there's some clearing to do. Oh, they actually fell this tree. This is a big termite nest, I believe. I did not even realize that they took this down. But the important thing is progress, thank God. We're able to accomplish what we did. We'll just keep moving. I'm sorry if I appear to be very untidy, but I look like how I feel. I don't feel much up in there, but I just feel worked. And it would not be a true representation if I came to you very dolled up. So I'm sorry if I look sweaty and kind of untidy. But enough talking. Let me show you where we are, before and after. Then we can leave. Thanks for staying with us, guys. Thanks for being here. While I worked and you watched. Good partnership. Win, win, win. So neighbors, it's been a good day, a long day, but a productive one. And yeah, I'm just showing you one of the yellow yams that I got from our friend, not just a worker, not just a past caretaker. We're friends now, we're family, and he brought this for me. Last time I got cabbage and green plantain. Now this yam look like it almost have as much fingers as my hand. Yeah, and there's another piece in there. If you want piece, just yeah. But it's been a long day. We're going to go now. Thanks again for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and go with God this week. I don't have any further encouragement for you today. How about you encourage me in the comments? Encourage the family in the comments, man. We can encourage you every day, so joke my joke. But if you have something nice to say, something encouraging, drop it in the comments. You know where to find us. God's willing, we'll have a new vlog for you later in the week at about Thursday. But until then, be safe. And big up from me and my house.